Hi guys, welcome to sydneydrinkdriving.com.au. Hi guys, it's Josh Boorman here from sydneydrinkdriving.com.au. I'm just here outside Picton Local Court. Now Picton Local Court is about an hour and 40 minutes out of Sydney, so it just shows that we do attend a lot of different courts in and around Sydney. Today I had a mid-range PCA offence here for a young 23-year-old fella. It was his first offence, first time he's been involved in a major traffic offence. Initially his matter was set down to be heard at Camden Local Court, but it was then transferred to Picton Local Court because Camden has shut down for refurbs or reduced its listing matters. But in any event, we adjourned the matter to Picton Local Court. We had our client complete a traffic offender program, obtained some references from his employer. We tendered those to the court, and there were some extenuating circumstances surrounding the situation as to why my client ended up behind the wheel of the car. I explained to the court that my client did not go out with the intention of drink driving on this occasion. He had actually put a plan B in place. However, due to some unexpected circumstances, his plan B did unravel, and he found himself in a bind where he wasn't feeling well and he had to get home. And certainly he had access to his car and made a very poor decision to get into his car. He unfortunately wasn't able to contact anyone on this occasion. His phone had died and he was stranded basically in the wee hours of the morning. So I was able to give the magistrate a little bit of insight into why my client chose to make the wrong decision to get into his car and drive his vehicle after consuming alcohol. Her Honour could see that he has a clean traffic history. This is certainly not a behaviour that he's used to doing. Also took into account his early plea of guilty, the fact that he did complete a traffic offender program, looked at his references and actually quizzed myself on what lessons that he did take away from the traffic offender program. I was able to offer an insight as to the valuable lessons that he had learnt from this course. At the end of the day, he received a minimum disqualification of 6 months, and this was backdated to the date of the offence in May, so he's already served 2 months. He has about 4 months to serve out of a disqualification period from today's date. He received a dramatically reduced fine down to $300, and he was extremely happy with the result and the outcome. Certainly his blood alcohol reading was just under the high range limit at 0.137, and he hadn't been driving all that long given he's only 23 years of age. So these were some issues which showed the court that he was inexperienced and his blood alcohol reading was quite high, certainly at the high end of the mid-range level. But he has taken steps to make sure that he's learnt from this lesson and it's a one-off type of offence. Certainly he appeared before the court in remorse, and Her Honour took all these issues into account when handing down the penalty and the sentence. So guys, if you have been charged with a drink driving offence in New South Wales, in particular in Sydney or the surrounding areas, or an alcohol related traffic offence, please give us a call on 02 9283 8622 at our office. I'm happy to have a free first telephone consult with anyone just to discuss their situation and what process is involved, and we can also talk about what we can offer you by way of legal representation. Alternatively, jump on our website if you haven't already seen it, which is sydneydrinkdriving.com.au. There's plenty of information, articles on laws, offences, penalties, and a raft of information surrounding drink driving offences or alcohol related traffic offences in New South Wales. And then, yeah, give us a call and we're happy to have a free first consult with you over the telephone. Thanks, guys.